It's a snowstorm! I live south in Norway and it's a snowstorm. Can you imagine up north what the weather can be up there when it's snowstorm? I love it. Let's go up here. It's a little bit dangerous to walk here now. There's no road and it's very uphill and there's rocks and oh my goodness. Whew. I don't even know if I can get up here. Look at that. That's a lot of wind. Okay, let's see if we can get up here. Oh no, I don't think I can get it there. Oh goodness. No, I can't get up here. Whew. Let's see if I can go here. Look at this. It's a lot of snow. Let's see. I can't see. What's that sound? I can't see where I'm walking. There's no road here. It's just rocks and mountain. Whew. Let's see. Sure is blowing up there. Where I am right now, I'm on the bottom of the mountain. I don't know if I'm gonna go up there. Let me see. Right, I was fall. I fell. Woo! I think I'm gonna keep away from the mountain right now. Oh goodness. And maybe my phone will be broken because it's snowing and it's laying down on my phone. My phone is maybe gonna break. All right, I gotta go back where I came from so I don't fall again. I need to keep away from the mountain for a while now until the snow is gone. Whew. It's cold. Imagine how it is up north. You see? Can't stand on my feet. Wow. Look at this. It goes so deep. Oh my goodness. I better go inside again. But this was fun. It's gonna last at least for another day. Now I think it's around 7 p.m. But the good thing about this snow is it's not so dark. I like it. See? Yoo-hoo! I love snowstorms. Shows the power of the nature. That's for sure. Right, I better go inside.